Hey there, Margaritaville peeps. So I'm coming to you at a different time of the day, and I just wanted to talk to you about the vistas that you're going to find at Latitude Margaritaville Watersound. This is Heather, helping you find your best beach life. Don't go away. So these Vista lots are going to be premiums. If you want a pool and you're going to do it up, maybe think 1.5 million. There will be some different base features that are available. They're not fully disclosed yet, but it will start off with some higher end features available just in the standard production. These are going to be premium lots, and they're not available at any other property. Because Watersound is built right on the Intracoastal Waterway, we've got this benefit of having some of these premium waterfront lots. You've got these lots right here that are closer to the bridge, closer to the outlet for West Bay. And then you've also got these few that have been released, and there's just a handful of those. Now, you got to figure out what works for you and what's best for you, but this is just a little bit of information. There are going to be 3 model choices available to you. All of them are 2-story. All of them bring the outside inside. They will each have elevators, and you will have availability for those glass walls, just like in the villas and in the beach and island collections. And so you've just got this premium product that gives you that real waterfront lifestyle. Some people have asked, well, is this going to be a product that people will want in the future? And yes, I believe so. The price tag is pretty general to the area and less than, of course, on the Gulf here. But you've got the same type of properties that aren't even waterfronts. So it's going to be a beautiful product. They're not released for sale just yet. So you want more information, just let me know. I'm here for you and can help out. Don't forget, you can look in the description below, get the links. I'll put the links to the website in there and to the plat map so that you can kind of see how the development is coming. If you have some questions, please just let me know. I can help get some questions answered, but not a whole lot. Just let me know if there's anything with which I can help. All right, I'll talk to you later. Bye.